It is time to make an exhaust for this truck that I'm working on. Pretty much, we go there, side exits. This was the old exhaust. He wants these clear tips coming out right there. So this will be fun. Got these parts cut. It's kind of where they're gonna sit at. Clamps holding, got little guides here. Some of the bends all cut. I have tacked up there, tacked there. That's a belt to be tacked, but we're just trying to get this whole thing lined up. That's about even. Coming together. Now I just gotta do this side. Working on the other half now. Had a huge gap to fill. What you think? Feels a little better. Alright, everything is finally welded. Exhaust is pretty much done. Last thing I need to do is this hanger. I gotta make a little bracket, kind of like this one on this side. My very first, this is actually my first like actual exhaust build. Pretty simple, 45 degree, 90 degree, nothing crazy. Yeah, this truck has been a big project for us for almost a year now. So yeah, feel free to follow if you want to see the rest of the build. Can't really show too much on this. That is all. Please.